Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, September 9th, 2015. All right, guys, into the action we go today. Markets are hovering just around the flat line after a gap up. Please notice that on the spiders, this was a level I gave to our members as major resistance. It was the previous pivot high right here, so very obvious that we would see a little bit of selling off of that. And again, I utilized that to take profits on two key trades today for our members. One an options play, one a stock play, and this was a swing trade as well. All right, let's go over those because these were beautiful. All right, Netflix was the first winner on the day. We picked it up yesterday. Let me go to the daily chart here, guys. I want to show you this. All right, yesterday we hit a major level on Netflix. This was what I call a retrace play into a major level. And again, I knew to buy it at 93.70. All right, many people out there were too scared yesterday. If you're one of them, then you got to learn how to read charts. Use the PPT proprietary methodology here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, and it puts you in the right trade at the right time, literally 9 out of every 10 times. Unbelievable, folks, and this was just another example. So take a look at this. So you had this big drop, right, from all the way up here down to this low. So this puts in a bottom because, again, you had a reversal on heavy volume. You bounced up, nice red candle, and then you went up the next few days. So this tells you there's a bottom there. So what you're looking to do is you're looking to buy a retrace. The question is, what is the proper level? That's the big question. Well, you have a gap fill right here, which is step one. So that's your first general vicinity. Now you want to find a matching level or levels that give you that general same price. And what you can see clearly here is that the Netflix chart was kind of bobbing right here, right here, and then it broke out. So this tells you this is major support here. So what I want you to do is you see this little gap fill here, put a trend line there, and then right down here through these lows, put a trend line right here. And that gives you this vicinity right in here to be a buy. And what we did, folks, is we bought at 93.70 right here just off the lows yesterday. And we simply did this yesterday, and within 24 hours this morning, I sold it for a $7 gain. $7 gain in less than 24 hours, or a 7.5% gain for Research Center members. Beautiful trade right there. And this, again, it didn't take a genius to see it. I mean, and listen, I don't expect those of you that are watching this video, if you've never looked at charts before, then obviously I don't expect you to be able to do it. But just put in a little bit of effort, join the Research Center, take a webinar of ours, and this is how you learn it. And you do this for yourself. And literally, I mean, just imagine a simple 1,000-share position on Netflix. Nothing crazy, 1,000 shares. What does it net you? $7,000, guys. Even if you, let's say you're a small trader. Let's just say you did 300 shares of Netflix. $2,100 profit, folks, on 300 shares. I mean, really. I mean, just think about it. We charge in the Research Center if you take a, first of all, there's a free trial in the Research Center. But let's just say you paid for a month of the Research Center, cost you $100. And in one trade, you just made $2,100. Really? I mean, you got to be an idiot not to take that, right? Anyways, the other trade, folks, if you're an options trader or you like options, this was an awesome trade here. Same general principle, same exact principle. That's what I love about this. It's rinse and repeat over and over again. Here was your reversal after crazy selling. All right, we saw the Shanghai Index going into last weekend. They had two holidays going into last weekend, holiday days off, and that was a beautiful reversal day on the Shanghai. This, again, is the Chinese ETF. We bought it literally right in here, and within days popped up here. 48.5% gain on options. 48.5% gain. Basically a 50% gain. Just imagine you only put a $10,000 in this options play, just $10,000 in the whole entire play. You basically made $5,000. And by the way, the options cost $100 too. Isn't it ridiculous? Ridiculous, ridiculous. But in any case, same methodology. Here was your bottom candle on heavy volume, your big bounce, and then you had your retrace here right down to this area. That was your proper area. See this level right here, the low of the green part? That's your buy level. Your stop would be any close below that low, and then look at that move up. Where do we sell? Right into the 20 moving average. That's first resistance. Very simple. 20 moving average. Okay? So, I mean, just this kind of stuff is what makes you either a good trader or a bad trader, a millionaire or broke. I mean, that's really what it comes down to. Here's InTheMoneyStocks.com, guys. Check this out. Research Center, I want to show you track records, updated, third-party verified, which is awesome. Here's the Research Center page. 7-day free trial if you're a newbie. Everything here is what you get in the Research Center. No Hype live broadcasts where you can ask us questions, see our charts. hot charts and alerts where you get our swing trade alerts like Netflix when I bought it. Time stamped goes out to you the exact price that I buy it at. Daily market reports with videos, daily analysis reports with videos, all that included. Plus, again, take a look at the track record here. 700 and basically 11%, 710.81. That's your profit, net profit for 2015. Here's Netflix added in. We bought it literally yesterday and sold it today. Bought it on the 8th, sold it on the 9th, bought in at 93.70, out at 100.7 today. $7 gain, 7.47% profit. Look at this, third party verified, guys. Look at all the trades this year. And again, we say we have an 80-90% success rate. There it is right there. Very simple, guys. Just look at it right there. 710% is if you add up all the winners minus all the losers in percentage terms. Let's just say you put 10% of your portfolio in one trade, right? So you didn't put all your portfolio in each trade. Then you'd be up 700%. But let's just say you're conservative. You put 10% of your portfolio. Let's say you have $100,000, you put $10,000 in each play. You're up over 70% on the year. 70%. We're on pace to do literally 100% return based on a small percentage in your account going in. And that's 100% return. Show me a hedge fund doing that. Show me anyone doing that. No one is. You want to see something else crazy? Look at the options alerts. Here's your options alerts page. Here's your track record on that very page. Third party verified. All entries, exits verified. Here it is. Look at all the options trades this year. And look at your net gain, folks. 2,676%. Incredible. In-freaking-credible. Just come here, join the options alerts, join the research center, whatever you want to do, or join them both if you like options and. I mean, just think about those two trades that I just talked about, which we made. Literally, the Netflix was within 24 hours. The other one was less than a week on FXI calls. And just think about how much you would have just made on those two calls alone with even small money versus the 100 for each of these services. Incredible. All right, guys. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. If you're not involved, you're crazy, frankly. You're crazy. Come join us. See you soon.